Boo, it's time to go home. Take care of yourself and be a good girl, okay?
Oh no!
The power's out. Make her laugh again.
Alright, I gotta move here. It'll bring down the house. Yep.
Oh, sorry, she didn't see that.
What?
Oh, sorry, she didn't see that.
What? What'd you do? Forget to check if a stupid hood was up, you big dope?
Uncle Mike.
Oh!
Uncle Mike, try not to yell in front of her. You know we still need her to laugh.
Right! Hey, Boo! Just kidding! Look! Funny, right? Huh? See what the... These are the jokes, kid. What's happening?
The door lands in the station, cuts the power. You'll have the child and the criminals responsible for this whole mess.
Great. The welcoming committee. What are we gonna do? Okay, you got us. Here we are. Here's the kid. I'll cooperate. But before you take us away... I have one thing to say. Catch! Wait, come back! He has the title! He has the title! Son, give me the child! Give her to me! Give her to me! Open this door! Open this door!
I think we stopped him, Boo. You're safe now. You be a good girl, okay? This has gone far enough.
You think it's over? All your little stuff did was buy them time.
She's home now. Just leave her alone. I can't do that. She's seen too much. You both have. It doesn't have to be this way. I have no choice. I have no choice. Times have changed. Scaring isn't enough anymore. What, kidnapping children? I'll kidnap 1,000. I'll kidnap 1,000 children before I let this company die, and I'll silence anyone who gets in my way.
What you
No!
Good night, Mom. Night, sweetheart. Good night.
No!
Good night, Mom. Night, sweetheart. Good night,
What?
Mom.
What is this?
Well, well, I don't know about the rest of you guys, but I spotted several big mistakes.
But how did
You know what? Let's watch my favorite part again, shall we?
What are you doing here? Take your hands off of me. You can't arrest me. I hope you're happy, Sullivan. You destroyed this company. Monsters Incorporated is dead. Where will everyone get their screams now? The energy crisis will only get worse because of you. Because of you.